The roar of a Dodge muscle car engine is iconic, but it may soon be replaced by the whisper hum of electric motors. Dodge's CEO has confirmed the unthinkable. The kings of gas-powered speed are going electric. What does this mean for the future of American muscle? Stellantis, Dodge's parent company, is starting the next chapter of automotive history. They're putting the pedal to the metal on electric vehicles. This has Dodge diehards shaking in their boots. They live for the thrill of twin turbochargers spooling up in exhaust notes that rattle your fillings. But the boss man isn't sweating it one bit. He knows EVs are the future if Dodge wants to keep its spot at the starting line. They already showed their detailed electric blueprint. This proves they're fully committed to the change. The grand reveal of the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept EV, complete with dramatic smoke effects, has set the stage for a new chapter. But, like a perfect recipe, there's a balance of excitement and caution in the air. Dodge, known as the heart of American performance, is embarking on an electric journey, and its passionate fans are buzzing with feelings. Dodge has made its mark in the world of performance cars thanks to its secret sauce, crafting muscle cars with powerful beasts under the hood. Think of those famous HELLCAT V8 engines. This formula has been polished to perfection, etching itself in the hearts of fans. Yet, this shift to electric has some of those fans raising their eyebrows. They worry that the unique essence they love might dim as electric vehicles take the spotlight, veering from the roar of traditional internal combustion engine muscle cars. Dodge is setting off on a mission to ease the minds of its devoted fans and potential customers alike. They're assuring everyone that their move into the electric vehicle world won't dim their greatness. And the first dance move in this persuasive performance is none other than the striking Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept. This concept car isn't just a beauty, it's a promise. It's a promise that even as Dodge goes electric, the soul of their muscle cars will remain intact. But this is just a sneak peek, a teaser for what's coming next, the highly awaited Charger EV. And let's be honest, the excitement is mixed with a hint of caution. It's like stepping into a new world, leaving behind the thunderous roars of HELLCAT engines for the hush of electric motors. This change has the power to reshape how people see the brand. But guess what? Dodge isn't backing down. They're standing strong, knowing that the electric era, once a far-off dream, is now right at our doorstep. An undeniable reality that they're embracing with open arms. Get ready to be blown away because Dodge is cranking up the voltage and flipping the script. Imagine an electric ride that's not just electrifying, it's pure Dodge magic. And leading this charge is none other than the showstopper itself, the Banshee. Dodge is about to drop a bombshell with their first ever electric stunner. This sleek two-door Charger is like a time-traveling sensation set to hit the streets in 2024. But here's the twist. They couldn't resist giving us a sneak peek at the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept last year. And let me tell you, that concept wasn't just a tease. It was a declaration. A declaration that Dodge's DNA runs deep in this EV. It's not just driving, it's a full-blown experience. But wait, let's zoom in on the heart of this electric firework, the Banshee. Dodge is keeping us on tenterhooks with their spanking new 800-volt Banshee propulsion system. The power numbers? Top secret. Because the 400-volt system already cranks out a mind-bending 590 horsepower, and that's just the appetizer. Let's talk about performance, the stuff that'll make your heart race. This EV isn't just faster than a HELLCAT, it's a turbocharged tornado of power, rewriting the rules of performance. And here's the kicker. This beast laughs in the face of Mother Nature. With its all-wheel drive system, it's an all-weather superstar, rain or shine. Oh, but what about the signature Dodge growl? Fear not, my friend. The Charger EV promises an auditory symphony that rivals the legendary SRT HELLCAT's roar. But here's where it gets real juicy. It's not just about speed. It's about feeling the road like never before. A slick multi-speed transmission takes you on an electrifying journey through the gears, turning every shift into a full-on dance party between you and the pavement. Amidst a whirlwind of uncertainties surrounding the electric vehicle shift, a big question emerges. Can the heart-pounding spirit of performance stay alive? Will the magnetic pull of drag races, the thrilling surge of acceleration, and the pure joy of driving find their place in the world of electric mobility? It's a curious thought, and the answer lies in an impressive powertrain that fuels these very sensations. In a recent chat with Automotive News, Tim Kuniskis, who not only holds the CEO title at Dodge but also now leads Ram, stepped in to address these doubts. Kuniskis made it crystal clear that the fiery spirit of performance isn't going anywhere as electric vehicles take the stage. With a keen understanding of the potential electric vehicles hold in beating the performance records of internal combustion engines, Kuniskis beams with confidence. He envisions these EVs grabbing attention and gathering a loyal following, all thanks to their incredible capabilities. Kuniskis pointed out a major driving factor behind Dodge's electric transition: the unavoidable need driven by both industry rules and the changing automotive landscape. This shift, he stressed, is a must-do dictated by government mandates, not just in the United States, but across important global auto markets. As Reuters highlighted, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has put forward ambitious vehicle standards spanning 2027 to 2032, aiming for a whopping 56% cut in emissions. As Reuters highlighted, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has put forward ambitious vehicle standards spanning 2027 to 2032, aiming for a whopping 56% cut in emissions. In light of these ambitious rules, the forecast predicts that electric vehicles will make up 60% of new vehicle sales by 2030, climbing even higher to 67% by 2032. Kuniskis drew a connection between the current situation and the transformative period the car industry experienced in the 70s. Back then, strict rules put a leash on the realm of muscle cars. But this time, Kuniskis envisions a different story. He believes that automakers now have the power to create electric vehicles that pack a punch, satisfying the need for hunger. In a chat with Automotive News, he stressed that the world of electric vehicle tech is full of untapped possibilities. Recognizing that adoption happens gradually and changes over time, Dodge's CEO admitted that not everyone will jump into electric vehicles right away. He pointed out that it would take years for the shift to include everyone. Not everyone will be quick to embrace electric vehicles, he made clear. However, Kuniskis remains super positive. He believed that, with time, the charm and potential of electric vehicles would win people over. They'll become a tempting and enjoyable choice. This change is how people see things, he thought, would slowly bring more folks into the electric mobility world. Smart guy that he is, Kuniskis saw that even though electric vehicles are different from the ones with internal combustion engines, the excitement of tuning cars and the joy of competing will still stand strong. He said that this classic enthusiasm will find a new home in the electric mobility world. Now, about the current and last generations of ICE-powered Challengers and Chargers. Kuniskis shared that Dodge plans to keep making these models until December. That way, they're making sure fans of these classic performance cars have something to enjoy until the very end. While the specs are still under wraps, one thing is for sure: the Banshee powertrain is poised to shock the world. Dodge is taking electric vehicles to a whole new voltage valley with relentless speed and sensory thrills that know no equal. The arrival of this electrified muscle machine can't get here soon enough. But until 2024, I want to hear from you. As a Dodge diehard, how amped are you for the new Banshee? What features has you the most charged up? Start sparking debate in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our passionate community.